Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make stir-fried chicken rice. First, gather all your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast cut into 1-inch pieces. Also, have your favorite vegetables ready, like bell peppers, carrots, and snap peas. Don't forget to prepare your stir-fry sauce. A simple mix of soy sauce, sesame oil, and fresh ginger works wonderfully. This initial prep makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Add your chicken pieces and cook them until they are beautifully golden brown and fully cooked through, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside. Next, add your day-old cooked rice to the same pan. Stir-fry it for 3 to 4 minutes, allowing it to get slightly crispy. With the rice getting crispy, it's time for the vegetables. Add about 1 cup of your chosen mixed vegetables, like sliced bell peppers and carrots, to the pan. Stir-fry them for 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender crisp. Now, bring back the cooked chicken and add it to the pan with the rice and vegetables. Finally, pour in your delicious stir-fry sauce and toss everything together until all ingredients are evenly coated and heated through. Your homemade chicken stir-fry rice is ready. Garnish it with some fresh chopped green onions and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for extra flavor and visual appeal. Serve it immediately while it's hot and fresh to enjoy the perfect blend of textures and tastes. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for enjoying your favorite recipes or a good book anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.